The D9 robot vacuum from Dreametech has 3.0 LDS laser system. The advanced LDS laser navigation system is powered by the enhanced SLAM Smart algorithm, which enables better accuracy, faster mapping, stronger performance in crossing obstacles, and more efficient route planning. Sweep and mop 2-in-1 combo. This robot vacuum choose from sweeping or sweeping mopping 2-in-1. The 5200 high-capacity battery is able to discharge more efficiently. It reaches up to 150 minutes of runtime, which is enough to sweep up to 2,691 square feet and mop up to 2,153 square feet at one time. Multiple ways of cleaning. The vacuum robot has 6 cleaning methods. Clean by rooms or cover the whole house. Specify certain rooms to clean. Define virtual walls to avoid certain areas such as kids' toy zone. Set restricted area to avoid wet mopping on carpets. Map specific areas to clean, and run through twice for deeper cleaning. Strong suction power. 3,000 atmospheric pressure of intense suction pulls dirt easily off hard floors, and drags it from deep inside carpet fibers. The strong suction power of this robot vacuum can effectively remove hair, confetti, dust, and bean particles. Smart App Control. App remote control allows you to adjust suction power, water distribution, check battery level, and materials status. Once connected to Alexa, the robot can respond to your voice orders immediately. Note: Dreametech offer a 1-year warranty for vacuum robot D9. 3-floor map memory function will be soon available with the OTA upgrading.